Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Stay seated and face the left side of the dash. The hood release lever on a 2018 Volvo XC90 sits under the dash near the driver's left knee. Reach down with your fingers, grip the plastic lever, and pull it toward you about 1 inch until you hear a solid click and the hood pops up slightly at the front. If you feel resistance, use steady pressure rather than jerking. Confirm the hood popped by looking through the windshield gap before you get out of the car. Walk to the front of the vehicle and stand centered. The secondary safety catch is located under the hood edge roughly in the center. Slide your hand under the hood lip, find the small metal catch, and push it to the right about 1/2 inch while you lift the hood up with your other hand until it clears the latch. On a 2018 XC90, the hood is supported by gas struts, so once the catch is released, the hood will rise and hold itself open. Keep your fingers clear. To close the hood, lower it slowly until it is about 12 to 18 inches above the latch. Then let it drop from that height so the primary latch engages firmly with one solid thud. After closing, walk around and visually inspect the front to ensure the hood sits flush and the gap is even. Pull up lightly at the front to confirm the latch is fully engaged. If the hood does not latch on the first try, reopen using the safety catch, realign the hood, and repeat. Never drive with an unsecured hood.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.